I want y'all to be weary of these people on this app that are trying to create division amongst us with the male and female bashing, so on and so forth. That is a very low vibrational being. I was just, I came across a live with this. I can't call him a brother. I'm gonna call him a dude. Where he's on there trying to, again, I read people. So he's on there trying to look good, trying to look good with his expressions and shit. And he has people literally on there fighting as he sits back and scrolls his phone and look at the comments, right? So what I want to say is, good job, buddy. Keep practicing. Keep practicing and make sure you look at this one too.
Mom,
Try to keep.
You love me?
Yeah, of course. That's beautiful.
I love you.
Love you too, sweet pea. So, like I said, you have to be mindful because, like I said, all skinfolk and kinfolk. And right now, we see everything that is going on in the world. So why do we need that decision? And we have to cut those cords from those attachments that get us bothered on this app. So this is what I'm saying, guys. We are supposed to be elevating. We have to continue to evolve. And if you want to be on my tribe, by the way, where we're going to be getting together virtually to meditate and work on intentions and do some things in order to raise the frequency here because it's necessary. Please send me a message, okay? But do not let certain things trigger you because those are creating energetic attachments. And you have to be intentional about cutting those cords to those attachments. Be mindful, y'all. And when you see these people, don't even hop in the inbox. Just keep scrolling. Keep scrolling. Because that is what they are looking for. Their main purpose is getting on this app. They don't care how or what they put out there, whether it's spreading peace or division, mainly division, because most people like controversy. They love controversy. They love having something to talk about. But I did notice on this app, it's not a lot of peace being pushed. And that's what we have to push right now: peace, unity, helping each other, brotherhood, sisterhood. We know who we are also, so who gives a flying fuck what anybody else has to say? Block and keep going. It doesn't matter. Continue to spread whatever it is you have been divinely led to do. Continue to live out your purpose and be intentional about that thing. Don't get sidetracked for nobody. Okay? That's all I got. Peace.